Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 diesel Ford Kuga. Now of course you get LED daytime running lights. Coming around to the side you get these freshly refurbished silver painted alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these 18-inch alloys. Around to the rear you've got rear parking sensors and a tow bar. And then in the tailgate we have plenty of room inside of here, including a 60/40 split folding rear bench. You also get this brilliant pull-out privacy shelf, which does ensure privacy for all belongings kept inside the tailgate. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car we have part leather, part cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all around. Into the front we have your 6-speed manual gearbox. We've then also got dual climate control in the front as well, with air conditioning and a heated front windscreen. You've then got your Ford Sync infotainment display as well, which you can see just here. You've got your track select, tuner info, source, sound display, eject, and then of course within here you've got satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free. You've got your various audio sources here as well. Over to the steering wheel, you've got your onboard computer controls on the left with your media controls on the right with your track select, audio volume, voice assistant, and then just below the onboard computer controls you have your speed limiter, cruise control just there. As you can see, this Kuga has done 77,790 miles, but coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Ford Kuga, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.